Hi guys. So first I'm gonna give up a few little updates today. Okay, so today we're going to finally do the Dorrie Sunken Shipwreck adventure set. Okay, so first a few updates. So I went to the doctor today and I got a little freaking prick. I really felt it hurting. I really freaked out, but I managed to get through. So anyways, now we're going to do this set. It's called Dorrie Sunken Shipwreck Adventure. Okay, it got Dorrie, Cheep, Blooper, and Cheep Chomp, which Mario gets eaten by. Okay, I'm gonna open this up and find out what's inside. Ooh. A lot of stuff. Ooh, this piece is nice. It must be from the Bowser ship stuff. If you remember that, back 4, 3, 5, and bag number 2, and bag number 1. And this big old book, which is it's funny how they start using books for the Lego Mario sets. It's in case people or kids don't have a cell phone or mobile device. And it's a good but strange thing that they now are making books. So okay, so I'm gonna grab my bin, bag number 1, and build it right away. Okay, so as you can see, I used bag 1 to build Dorrie. He's a whole lot different. Here, I grabbed the old version of Dorrie right here. Now, the first thing you can see that you can now move his arms up and down, which you can't with the original version. And we have to take a look at the bottom. He's got those little things. It's a whole totally different base. And you can also move his head up and down, which you can't with the original version. If we take a look at the barcode, you see it looks slightly different. That one's all tilted. Yeah, boy, they look totally different. That one has a circle around the head, that one doesn't. Yeah, boy, they look totally different. Now, what you do with Lego Mario, do it in the old version. This one around. Here's a new version. And wow, look at that. Totally different music. And a brand new screen on Mario, eh? It's the Super Mario Bros. 1 underwater theme. Boy, it's so different. Yep, that means Dorrie can now swim under the water. Like a real plesiosaur. And boy, that music keeps going on and on and on. And now Mario's done swimming. And now you know what we're gonna do with Mario. We're gonna open up bag number 2. And build what's inside. Now, you can notice that there's a blooper in this set. I think we're gonna do a speed build with it. So get these things built. Oops, sorry, Lego Mario. It's okay. Yeah, now let's get this thing built, shall we? Okay, so I might have to do part 2 of this video because it might be getting long. But anyways, so I opened up bags 2 and 3 and I got started on bag 4. So anyways, here's the blooper I did a speed build of. All it does is just take one hit like that. And so with the rest of bag 2, I use it to build the front of the shipwreck. And what you do here is you use like a Mario to I moved the other part away. You hit the point of the ship and then you have to fire away the chest. And if you try to use like a Mario to use it on here, it just it's locked. So what all you can do on the ship is you would just twist the mast here until it opens up, and then you use like a Mario to get the key and close the mouth of the clamshell back up, and when you do it at the chest here, watch what happens. Look at that, you get a bonus, hey? That could be like a little clam track thing from Super Mario 64. Oops, sorry Mario. And now, as you can see here, I'm going to build the Jeep Chomp. I will show it to you guys in part 2 of the video. Thank you for watching the first part, and if you want to see the second part of the video, click the link in the description. Thank you.